In this module, we'll get into the topic about product launches. This topic will be an interesting and important one. Why? Because when you're ready for a product launch, it means that your product is ready 100% for everyone. Imagine yourself as an engineer who builds a rocket from scratch for decades. This is the day you finally see it launch into space. This is undeniably an exciting moment for any product's creation. So, why do product launches? I'm asking this because I know that many of you created killer courses or products but were never able to launch them. Instead, many just simply began selling their products in a low-key method. Today, I'll tell you why so that I can encourage you to start doing product launches. We're never motivated to do something if we don't know why we're doing it, right? People want to see results. We are just going to do that right now. One major benefit of product launches is the publicity it gets for you and your company. With product launches, we're able to gain attention from the major public to take notice of what we're offering. So, if what we're offering is seen as something invaluable to them, what do you think will happen next? The word will be spread everywhere, sometimes even better globally. Think about the impact it'll give to both the sales of your products and your company. Simply said, this attention not only leads to a larger customer base and more sales for the newly launched product, but also it's the fastest way to build buyers' list. Wow, not only do you get more sales, you get to build an impeccable buyers list. How amazing's that? On top of that, we're not speaking about just any buyers, but quality buyers. Take note that those who purchase your launched products most likely will purchase your other products as well. When it comes to building list-generating leads, we want quality leads, not just quantity. What's the point of having 1,000 leads that generate 0 sales when with only 10 quality leads, we're able to generate 10 big sales? This means that leads we generate from launches are more targeted and rapid. In the meantime, we're avoiding free leads like the plague because they are low-quality leads. Who wants leads that are less responsive and have a higher possibility of leaving without taking any actions? Therefore, buyers are the ones you should be targeting. What if I tell you that product launches not only help your product sell well, but also build your business overall? Truth be told, it will. If you do product launches, you just found the quickest way to build your brand and authority. Put yourself in your customer's point of view. What do you think of someone who launches products on a regular basis? Are they seen as experienced and credible? That's who we want to be seen as. Thus, with multiple successful product launches, you'll be perceived as an expert and authority. The impact it will do to your business will be enormous. I truly hope this module encouraged you to start taking action and do product launches.